God is a master restorer. Whatever has been stolen from you, this great God, under this anointing today, will restore them back to you. Please pick that revival verse of 23 of Joel chapter 2. I'm giving you the latter rain. Bring you under the latter rain, anointing, and I will restore by it the years the God has eaten. The floor shall be full of wheat, the vase shall overflow with no other oil. No more lack, no more want, no more struggling for survival. And my people shall never be ashamed. The service is declared your service of restoration.